if connected to Krishna, if you can feed somebody, that is also Krishna consciousness. Connected to Krishna, you cannot feed, if you don't feed somebody, if you can, especially these are rules for householders. If you cannot feed someone, then that is stone-heartedness. Maybe 10 people, 10 living entities are there, they are all suffering by hunger. Maybe if you support their hunger of these 10 people, maybe out of that 2 may take to spiritual life. 1 may take to spiritual life. There is no guarantee that if their hunger is satisfied, they can take to devotional service. But they can also. But if hunger is not satisfied, none of them will take to devotional service. Karma, bad karma. So therefore, this is all in connection with this perception. The perception of you will perceive your own self as well as all the universe is in me and myself in you. You cannot have compassion unless you see the other living entities as one with you. Just by chance, circumstantially today I am better than that living entity. Circumstantially I have food, he does not have food. Circumstantially, again you compare. Circumstantially you see, okay, this man is got money, plenty of money, but he is eating bhoga, I am eating prasada. Next level. Next level. So giving prasadam is the highest, mercy of the Lord is the highest purifying thing that you can do to a hungry person. So that is why Prabhupada said, distribute food. You should see in Mahabharata, the highest virtue, Annadhana. And this is preached by Krishna to Yudhishthira. And repeatedly it comes, Annadhana, Annadhana. It doesn't say Prasadadana. That is a higher philosophy. But that is also philosophy. Because Anna is coming from Krishna. Anna is coming from God. And human life is very precious on this earth. And without Anna, human life cannot conduct itself into self-realization. That is why the Annadhana is considered to be. One should not think these are all simply materialistic. Why would Krishna, encourage that? There are gradations of truths. Prasadam, making that Anna into Prasadam is great. But even if people think that food is coming from temple, that itself is prasadam. If you connect something to Krishna, it becomes spiritual in your mind. It becomes spiritual, it has spiritual effect. Those are all rituals we are saying. Make a plate, go before the Lord, give it to Him. Yes, that higher personalism is there. It's a fact that the Lord eats out of the plate. But one should not limit Lord's Leela to only that. There are so many occasions where mass cooking was being done for big festivals. And Prabhupada, so many standards of cleanliness and now could not have been followed in that mass production. No, this becomes prasadam. Prabhupada said, okay, no problem. Hire the cooks. Do it. So you cannot limit God to that, to a ritual. That is the only way Krishna will take food is when you go and, put a plate before Him. He is omnipotent. He sees the intent of the devotees is to distribute my mercy. He makes everything prasadam.